KanbanFlow is a popular productivity and time management tool, but before you decide to buy it, there are a few things you should know. While it's a great option for many, it might not be the best fit depending on your needs. Let's dive into the 12 key things you need to consider before purchasing. First off, KanbanFlow is a task and project management software that allows you to visualize your workflow using Kanban boards. It's pretty straightforward, which makes it ideal for teams looking for simplicity over complexity. Compared to other tools like Trello, KanbanFlow's interface is less customizable, but this can be a pro if you don't want to spend too much time setting things up. Next thing, it has built-in time tracking, which sets it apart from competitors like Asana or Monday.com. You can start a timer on each task, making it great for tracking how long each project takes. However, if you need more advanced time tracking features or reports, this may feel a bit basic compared to tools designed specifically for time management. The third thing to note is its simplicity. KanbanFlow focuses on being lightweight and easy to use, which is a plus for those who want to quickly get started. Unlike complex platforms like ClickUp, you won't find a ton of features here, but for many, that's exactly what they're looking for. Next, you get unlimited boards and tasks in the free version, which is a huge plus. This makes it very cost-effective for small teams or individuals who just need a basic task manager without any extra charges. However, some competitors, like Trello, also offer free plans, but they might have limitations when it comes to the number of integrations and automation. The fifth thing is its integration options. KanbanFlow connects with popular apps like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack. But when compared to others like Monday.com, it doesn't have as extensive an ecosystem of third-party integrations. If you're heavily reliant on other apps, this could be a deal breaker. The sixth thing is the mobile app. KanbanFlow's mobile version is functional, but it doesn't have the polish of competitors like Asana or Trello. The interface can be a bit clunky, especially if you need to make frequent updates on the go. Now, the seventh thing is the focus on simplicity over advanced features. If you're looking for things like Gantt charts or complex reporting tools, you won't find them in KanbanFlow. But if your focus is on basic task management, you'll appreciate the clean design and ease of use. The eighth thing to know is that KanbanFlow offers a basic, but effective, version control system. If you're working on collaborative projects, this allows you to track task changes, which can be helpful for teams. However, tools like ClickUp or Monday.com offer more sophisticated project tracking features, so it really depends on your team's needs. Next, let's talk about pricing. KanbanFlow has a free plan, but to unlock additional features, like advanced reporting and integrations, you'll need to upgrade to the paid plan. In comparison, other tools like Trello also have premium plans, but KanbanFlow's paid plan is relatively affordable for what it offers. The 10th thing is that while KanbanFlow supports recurring tasks, it's not as powerful as what you'd find in something like Todoist. If you're managing lots of recurring activities or need advanced task dependencies, you might find KanbanFlow lacking. The 11th thing is its flexibility. KanbanFlow is great for simple task and project management, but it might not be flexible enough for teams that need more complex workflows or customization. If you want more control over your project structure and workflows, you might want to consider tools like ClickUp or Monday.com. Finally, the last thing to consider is that KanbanFlow does offer a free trial of the premium version, so you can test out the extra features before committing. But even in its free version, it's a solid tool for small teams or individual users who want to stay organized without getting overwhelmed. Overall, KanbanFlow is a good option for basic task management and time tracking, especially for teams looking for simplicity. However, if you're after more advanced features or customization options, it might not be the best fit. If you're interested in exploring a more feature-rich solution, check out our recommended option, which offers a free trial for you to test out for yourself.